The problem is that people start cooking food on the stovetop and then they walk away and they leave the burner on, and it was causing fires in the dormitories. So the solution is that we purchase stove guards. So the stove guard is a motion sensor. It can sense if there's somebody in the area of the stove. If it senses that there is no one in the area of the stove, it has a countdown timer. So after 2 minutes, the stove will shut itself off and there will be no more heat source. So far it's working out very well. We've had no complaints and we've had, knock wood, no fires since we installed this device. My name is Cathy Ennis and I helped improve safety at B&L.